Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves.
Right, so you're probably confused right now as to what's happening, why you're seeing cinematics of Forge Action there, not Shane's car. Basically, we were meant to film his car, the Walkround at Castle Coombe, but never got round to it. So instead, obviously, a few days later, we have filmed the Walkround. So enjoy the video, guys. How's it going, bud? How's it going?
Not too bad.
Do you want to park over there? No? Alright. Mate, scene parking.
Scene parking always. Don't like Park Street.
Right, so hey guys, welcome to what is another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm back with Shane and his very slow Golf. He's looking at me over there. It's not the same Golf as what it was before. The difference is now it's running Meth. As some of you probably noticed, and I've actually been speaking to him about it, he was actually at Forge Action Day. This is unfortunately a few days later because we haven't actually been able to film like showing around the Meth because obviously he was on track, I was busy. It was just a massive clusterfuck really. But obviously I'm going to put in some footage at the end of our track session, but we're going to take you around the Meth kit. So pretty simple, and it's nothing's really changed outside, has it?
Not on the outside, no.
Yeah.
The only changes since the last video is different brake pads that we're now running Carbon Tech XP10s because I managed to kill and crack and split and crumble the old pads all round. So I've had to change the back ones as well. I just put a set of Brembos in the back along with now the water meth running, eventually getting it to where I need it to be.
Yeah. Should we have a look at the water meth?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Jesus. So is that it there?
Yeah, that's 1.5 gallon AEM water tank, basic starter kit, low level sensor and a AEM water meth pump. As you can probably see from last time, the box is now gone.
The 10-inch.
Yeah, the little box, so I managed to flat floor it just to tidy things up a little bit.
That's alright then.
A few little changes.
Any changes in the engine bay regarding the Meth? Can you see any of the ports?
A few changes. Inside the car, we've now got the controller down on the centre console. Since last time we've also gold heat wrap taped the intake,
yep,
and heat shield. Also got a twin plate heat shield above the turbo at the back now since last time. And then the water meth, we have a Devil's Own water meth solenoid for safety features within a foot. And then what we then have is from AKS Tuning is the water meth spacer plate. Some people do it via spacer plate, some people do it on the throttle body intake pipe lower down.
Yeah, because I know Lee's, his is on the throttle body.
Yeah. Yeah, or if you've got the RPC, you've got 4 connection points along the manifold. Yeah. And then also what we're also running is a DO3 Devil's Own water methanol injector, because the size 3 that I had from AEM was putting too much meth in, so it was actually spluttering and killing the power, as opposed to improving power.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So is this a lot faster than when I was on track? Can you notice the noticeable difference?
Well, on track we were, I wasn't running that nozzle, and now it's now a different nozzle, so I reckon it's running a little bit more because it's a bit more punchy in gears and wheel spinning.
Do you notice it?
Well, and wheel spinning second as well now.
Oh dear.
First and second, even with the diff in it.
Oh, that because you had LSD, a Quaif.
Yeah, Quaif LSD fitted by Motorworks. Motorworks helped me with the solenoid and the spacer plate and the last little bits of wiring up because I wasn't too sure.
Yeah.
So I got them to help me out on those last few little pieces of the kit, really.
That's no way.
So got it all up and running, and hopefully I'm now where I want to be with it. Apart from forging next.
Oh, you're gonna forge it next?
In 2 mines.
In 2 mines. What are the 2 mines?
Cost.
Yeah, it's quite expensive, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it'd be nice to see what the power increase is on the dyno, just with the water meth now running, just to see what the figure increase is.
Yeah.
So it would be interesting to see how much I've gained. It's like 5 brake horsepower, 10.
Yeah.
But we don't know until we find out. But it feels more responsive driving it.
Yeah. So the main thing is as long as you notice a difference, because running meth, having meth, everything around having meth, in my mind, oh, that's my phone, is very, very expensive. Shut up, man.
Well, it cost me about £42–43 worth to get about 40 litres of meth.
Okay, and how long does that 40 litres last you?
I've only gone through 5 litres so far.
Okay, so that's not too bad.
And I still got the last bit of that bottle in the car at the minute, and that was after 2 track sessions as well.
Oh, so that's the same bottles that we used in. So
it's lasting a little bit longer than the old nozzle that was actually dumping the whole gallon in, well, a 1.5 gallon tank in about 4 laps of Kuma I done last time.
See, in my mind, I need to turn this phone off, honestly. In my mind, that's quite good, that's quite efficient, because I would have thought it would have been just drinking it. In my mind, 40 litres would last you maybe 2 track sessions, but
maybe. I'll find out on the 1st of October.
1st of October, because you're at Castle Coombe on the 1st?
Yeah, I'm doing the slip and grip track day, open pit on the 1st, and my mate is also driving the car as well.
Oh, no way.
So I'm going to go and be taking it in turns.
Oh,
so you can spot the difference of driving.
Are you scared to let him have a go? Or are you
he's
confident?
already done it once before.
Yeah.
Yeah, I let him last time I'd done the track day out there, so.
Ah, that's alright then.
So he's eager to get in it again, I expect.
Have you noticed much difference with sound? Because I'll probably put in a clip in towards the end or now. Did you pass the sound test?
Yes, but I got told off as well. After taking you out on track.
What happened with that?
We were too loud on track, and then I had sound tested and it made 99.5 decibels.
Jeez.
And we got told off because I was revving too high as we were going round.
Oh.
So we were being too naughty on track.
Tut.
But it's all part of the fun.
Yeah, it's all part of fun.
And then I went back out again afterwards.
Did they tell you off?
No.
Oh, that's
not the second time. I still put my foot down.
That's alright then.
No, got to be done.
So I hope you enjoyed the video of Shane's slow golf.
Sheddy golf.
Sheddy golf, that's the shed. I hope you've liked the ironing board at the back. I love the clip. I'll cut that out. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I'll put now a few clips of the track day itself, obviously. Few highlights, obviously towards the end where me and Shane got pulled over for obviously the sound. So yeah, enjoy the vid, guys. I'll be as ready as I can be.
You have to put your window up a little bit. I'm pressing the horn.
Just put it in the box. I just want to noise test you again, okay?
Oh, sorry.
Alright, mate. Just going to do a retest. From memory, I think you were pretty marginal last time, but
Yeah,
4.5.
I normally get
please.
about 9. Hang on.
A little bit more. Yeah, 99.5. How loud was he, Vince, on track? Okay.
I've had the same exhaust on there for the last 3 shows.
Okay, mate. Just knock it off the absolute top revs a little bit, okay? Because you're too loud.
To red
trackside.
line.
Yeah, so don't.
Yeah, so
just
I
knock
went
it
out
down.
the first couple, I was doing the auto, and then I knocked over to the paddle.
Yeah.
And obviously that's where I just
shift a
holding it
little
that-
early, okay?
Yeah.
So gentleman's agreement. Shift a bit early.
Yeah.
If we catch you again, that'll be it.
Yeah,
Too
yeah.
loud trackside, alright, mate?
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. No
Cool.
worries.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Oh dear, mate, that's not good. That is not good.
It's because I threw it into manual, didn't I? That's why. So obviously noise level.
But what did you still upset it bloody
Just under it made 99.5.
99?
But it's just come off track, so it's going to be absolutely red hot, so it's going to be louder than normal anyway.